Hi guys. Welcome to my Excel video. Let's learn something new today that can help you sharpen your Excel skills. If you want to learn more, please scan the QR code or click on the link in the description to take my Excel courses on Udemy. Thank you, and let's get started.
Welcome to our first lesson of Section 3, Tools to make a nice worksheet. Most of these tools are located on the Home tab of the ribbon, and we are going to start with a group called the Font Tools. Now, first of all, I want to make this heading a little bit better. Before you can apply any formatting, you need to select the cell or cells you need to change. So, I'm going to click on the heading, come up to my Font Tools. The first thing I like to do is to change the font. By default, it is Calibri. If you want to change it, click on the drop-down and take a look. As I hover over different fonts, you'll notice I'm getting a live preview in my worksheet. It hasn't changed, it's just showing me what it will look like. When you have found the font you like, just click to select. Now, let's say I'd like to make this heading look a little bit bigger. Just to the right of your font is your font size. And if you click the drop down, again, you get a live preview, so I can hover over till I find a size I like, and then click to select. And just to the right of the font size are two really useful little tools: increase and decrease the font size. These allow you to make quick adjustments. So if I click a few times on this one, you can see it's getting bigger. And if I click a few times on this one, it gets smaller. So our heading is now looking a lot better. But what about our column headings? Well, they need some help. This time I'm going to select the entire row, and I'm now going to look at the tools in the bottom row of my font group. Now, I think these would stand out a little bit better if they were bold. So I'm going to click on the bold, and of course it does what it says. If I didn't want them to be bold, I would just click back onto the bold, and it's off. So it's just on and off. In a very similar way, I can also change my font into italics. So one click, and it's now italics. I don't really like that. I can turn that off. And we also have our underline. And that's a single click again to apply, and a single click again to remove. Now, I think my text would look more attractive if I change the color. We have two color change options: the fill color and the font color. The fill color looks like a little paint bucket, and it actually changes the cell color. So I'm going to click the drop down, and I'm going to go for a nice dark blue. I'm then going to come to my font color, click the drop down and select white. It's now a lot better. Okay, it's your turn. Download the resource and practice using some of these tools.
That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and don't forget to scan the QR code or click on the link in the description to take my Excel courses on Udemy. Thank you again. See you on the next video.